Meddy Kagere, hongera sana kwa ushindi wenu banza ariko hakurya aho ngaho muvuga. Meddy, reka duhere kuri iyi nsinzi mumaze kugira imbere ya Al Ahly, mwayakiriye gute mu ikipe ya Simba?
Asante sana. Actually, all we needed is 3 points, and we have our policy like home, we never lose. If we need to qualify to the quarterfinals, all we have to do is polish our minds and make sure we don't lose the home games. That's the only thing that we are set to. And thank God we played a big team, the champions, and we ended up having the 3 points. So everyone is overwhelmed, but we still have a long way to go. But otherwise, it's all about the focus that made us have the win against Al Ahly.
Meddy, ni insinzi yanyu ya kabiri muri aya matsinda ya Champions League, mwagiye Kongo muratsinda, Dar es Salaam muhatsindiye ikipe ya mbere muri Afurika, Al Ahly. Niki kiri muri Simba? Ni iki kintu cyahindutse ko byo tutabimenyereye mu karere kacu, aho ikipe yo mu karere ishobora gutsinda bigugu nka Vita Club na Al Ahly mu gihe gito cyane cyegeranye? Niki kiri muri Simba ubu ngubu kirimo kibasunika kugera kuri izi nsinzi?
Me, what I think is the players are mature enough and they know what they want. And the other thing is there's competition in the club, whereby we have many players. There are players that we have brought in the club, like to play on the Champions League. You know, there are many foreigners, like they are adding something into the club. Me, what I would say is, in this group, I think we are the underdogs, and so they took us underdogs, but for us, we knew what we wanted. We had to set our minds, and we were focused, knowing like every game to us is like you are playing one of the best clubs, SC Vita. We went away. We remember what happened last time there to win us. There are many goals. So we know now, you know, when you're punished at once, you don't lose, but you learn. So we had to learn. Like away games, if you're not focused, by the time you bring back your mind, 5-6 goals. So now the most important thing is we went for them. They knew they've already won because they're at home, which for us we didn't have. We knew our minds were set like, as long as it takes, we should not concede, but if you get a chance, we should use it. And the only chance we got, we had to use it. By the time they had to wake up in their mind thinking, oh, now we are losing, it was already too late for them. So the group we are in is a group of big, great teams. El Merreikh, Vita Club, Al Ahly. So when you look at the three clubs, you find we are the underdogs. So the only thing is, for us, we are more than focused. We don't give any chance, because once you give to such big teams one chance, they utilize it and you're gone. So the only thing is the motivation we have as players playing the big teams. That puts us ahead and sees us achieving.
Meddy, mu gihe tukivuga ibyo biragaragara ko kuri uyu wa kane n'ikipe ya Namungo ishobora kurara igeze mu matsinda ya Confederations Cup. Tanzania League yabo hazamutse iki? Ese n'ibi bihe bya Covid aho mwe mwakinaga abandi basa n'abarimo muri concentration yo kwirinda, n'iki kintu kirimo kibafasha League ya Tanzania ihagaze ite? Gira icyo bitubwiraho.
When it comes to talking about Namungo, this is one team that I would say was so lucky. Everything was just on the table, you know. It was about them to decide. Because you can't tell me if a club, the first club they played, is it from Sudan? They wanted all their games to be played in Dar es Salaam. You see? Then all of a sudden, they played another qualification. And now when they had to reach to go into Angola, or whatever happens, I think you heard it. And now, actually, Angola team thought like things would be changed, like maybe they'll be given the 3 points, and now they'll be coming with 2 goals caution. And then after here, they'll find a way of drawing. But then things turned around, and they were forced to come to that, which is the biggest mistake. To me, I think if they had 3 players who were infected, okay, put the players outside and then leave them to play. But they couldn't allow anybody to come into the country. So CAF had to decide, okay, let the games be played in Dar es Salaam, which was the biggest mistake. You see, so that's a clear qualification for Namungo, which is the easiest. You can't expect a team which is home to lose 2 times. It's impossible at home, and you're using the fields that they are used to. So when it comes to Angola, they have natural grass, not synthetic. And when you talk about the league here, I think when you see the league being on top, it's not all about one team. So when you have competitions in main teams in the league, like all teams are tough and all teams are making sure they are on their top level, be rest assured the league will also be at the top level. But when you find like it's only one team, an example like Simba is the only team, then the league will always be at a lower level. But when you look at Yanga, you look at Simba, there's Azam, Namungo, all those teams, even the teams you don't think like they can beat a big team, they perform. All teams are always trying to be at the higher level. That's why I find the league here is at the top level and things are totally changing. And even the management, when it comes to team like Simba, the management itself is okay. You see every time they're having some changes, they're having some improvement, social media, they are putting the club at a higher level, a different level. They always call it the next level, you see. So only this, the motivation in the club really helps the club and the players to work hard and put the club at the top level.
Meddie Kagere muri Simba, Haruna muri Yanga, Ali muri Azam, hari Thierry Hitimana, hari Okoko. Abo bene wacu bandi Meddie bahagaze gute?
They are okay. Bameze neza rwose, abenshi turavugana. So Niyonzima, we talk. Ali, we met also in the game of Azam. For them they are very fast, hard to meet. But I always follow up. I always watch their games when they are playing. Even Coach Thierry is doing fine. Recently had a good game, although he lost against Yanga. But it was really a nice game. You see, he's really progressing and he's having good work. Even I met him when we met in Mapinduzi, Niyonzima. We met as he was the captain there in Yanga. I was the captain on the other side of Simba. Yeah, they're okay. They are fine. It's only Okoko that I've taken long without meeting ever since I met him when we were playing Namungo. It's a long time. Yeah, but the rest, they are okay and they are fine.
Reka nkubaze no kuri ku ikipe y'igihugu. Ikipe y'igihugu bavuye muri shani babaye abakane, mwabyakiriye mute? Hagati aho imbere hari imikino 2, Mozambique na Cameroon. Ibyo ku ruhande rwanyu yo mu biganira mu byiteguye gute?
Actually, that time I even used to talk to the coach. I used to talk to the captain, and who were really proud of them. It's something like most of them, I would say everyone didn't expect. But football is totally different, and that was the best performance. Whereby you're really happy, you're not even playing, but you even feel like you can't miss the next game. After watching the first game, the performance, the way it was, you feel like this thing would be really coming slowly by slowly. I was really happy. I was even motivated. This is something that I used to say, like, if really we set our minds as players, because Rwanda has good players, if they really have the intention of performing and we say we can make it, they can really do anything. They can beat any team. They can even have the best performance ever. So the determination I saw that time and the way they really worked hard. It's only like I would say they were unlucky, but they were even supposed to go very far. When it comes to the captain getting injured, then here comes in, I would call it a fake red card, which wasn't supposed to be. I don't know why it was given, but then this is something that shows like we have good players. It's a matter of motivation. I don't know if it's because it's a different thing, a different channel whereby this is the African Cup for local players. Leave alone the African Cup whereby you include all international players, but that's the African Cup for local players. It was really a nice performance. Everyone now talks about Rwanda, everyone knows about Rwanda, everyone now people know like we have a good team. So when it comes to the next two games, we still can make it. That one I know we still can make it. The next game is at home, and Cameroon that will be playing the last game. This is a game whereby Cameroon doesn't have anything to lose. So I don't think they will be like dying so hard to find that win. They will be just playing to finish the last game. It's like, let's have the games be done. But for them, they know already they have qualified to play the African Cup. So this is a chance that we have in our hands. So it's all about us. The boys is in our hands, and we know we are what we need. So we have to work hard, and I believe we can make it.
Medi, reka mpere nsoreze aho n'ubundi nari natangiriye. Objective yanyu nka Simba ni iyihe muri uyu mwaka? Simba murifuza kugera kuki?
Our objective, first of all, I will say, is the first objective is taking the league, retaining the league. That's the first objective. Leave alone the Champions League, I don't know which other cups, but the first objective is taking the league. If you don't retain the league, how sure are you if you play Champions League again? Because the Champions League you are in, it has its foundation. As long as you take the league, you are rest assured like you are going to play next season the Champions League. So that's our first objective. The second is all we achieved last season, we must make sure we achieve it this season. And then the objective we had in the Champions League is to reach the semi-final, because the last time we went far, it was the quarter-final. So every time it comes to that, we always think where we are supposed to go. We are still very far away in the group stages, but as long as we are done, we have quarter-final. But if all goes well, we may reach our objective or even go past it. So the only thing is to only retain everything we achieved last season, but the thing, having in mind that our first objective is winning the league. That's when you're rest assured of playing Champions League next season. So the rest comes after.